The U.S. Fed backup is preparation for much stronger than expected economical increase the year, a type how boosts the instance for high concern rates. But several policymakers stay dubious how the reached will seem in the shape of fast bloating and high salary. Such members force their associate to be patient as they wait next bet rises. The view were show in protocol published on environment of the Fed's January meet. The meet, the definitive collection led by ex-Fed backup armchair Janet Yellen, signed January 31. It preceded confusion in the stockpile marketplace how has been attached partially on depositor calculations how the Fed might lift concern rates more than quickly rather than expected. Investors were responsive to information, consisting wages increases, how offered bloating might be much stronger rather than in latter year, motive the Fed to lift rates more than rapidly. U.S. stocks jumped following the protocol were liberated, but sank once again as the afternoon extended, showing ongoing ambiguity on the banking's next year. The Fed has been changing off of the policies designed at economical incentive it approved for the economic downturn, consisting ultra-low concern rates. The banking took no activity to lift rates at its January meet, but markets wait at low 3 bet rises the year, and forecast the Fed will get its following activity in March. Investors are as well observer thoroughly to see if new Fed armchair Jerome Powell conducted a more than violent position rather than Ms. Yellen, who was examined as driving comparatively slow to lift rates. At the January meet, nearly all Fed members, more than rather than previous, told they wait bloating to hit the banking's 2% goal above the middle period, supporting the instance for next bet rises. A quantity of Fed backup members as well noted up forecasts for 2018 increase to represent much stronger economical information with December, on to the protocol. Yet, the recording showed the attending extended to conduct a broad band of view on bloating and wages pressures. Several see the opportunity of fast bloating, others see slight continuous testimony of bloating or wages pressures, the protocol told. They convicted how the board could provide to be patient. Ken Matheny, Execution CEO for U.S. Economy at Macro Advisors by IHS Markit, told the debate was consecutive in forecasting of few bet rises in 2018. Mr. Matheny, whose company is predictive for persons bet rises the year, told he expects bloating will eventually hit the Fed's 2% goal, challenging peaceful sentiments to wither.